f of x is given to be 3 plus 2 times a plus 1 into x plus a square plus 1 into x square minus x cube, a cubic polynomial with a parameter a. And what is the given condition? This has a local minimum at x equal to 1 and a local maximum at x equal to 2, such that the local minimum and local maximum are on either side of 2, and the value of a is observed to be a negative number. Then we need to find the domain of a, right? Now what is f of x given? The polynomial f of x given is 3 plus 2 times a plus 1 into x plus a square plus 1 times x square minus x cube. So can we identify what is f dash x for this? That is 0 plus 2 times a plus 1 plus 2 times a square plus 1 into x minus of 3x square. Now what are these values? X equal to x1 and x equal to x2. They are the points of local extremum. For points of local extremum, the important condition is f dash x must be equal to 0. Now what do we mean by f dash x is 0? 2 times a plus 1 plus 2 times a square plus 1 into x minus 3x square must be 0 at the 2 points of extremum, that is x equal to x1 and x equal to x2. And what is the condition given? 2 lies between the two roots of this equation. So as per the given condition, 2 lies between the roots of f dash x equal to 0. Now from the theory of quadratic equations, when do we say 2 lies between the roots of the quadratic equation? As you can see, the derivative is coming to be with a negative x square coefficients, so it represents a parabola open downwards, and the two roots being x equal to x2 and x equal to x1 being the roots, and 2 is a number in between them. This is the graph of f dash x, right? Then at 2, if you observe, the function is above that of x-axis. So shall we conclude f dash of 2 must be greater than 0? The functional value at 2, which is between the two values where the f dash x becomes 0, is in that portion of the graph which is above that of x-axis. Then when is f dash 2 is 0? 2 times a plus 1 plus 2 times a square plus 1 into 2 minus 3 times 2 square should be greater than 0. This, when reduced as a quadratic inequation, becomes 2a square plus a minus 3 being greater than 0, which is easily factorizable. So what are the factors of this? 2a plus 3 into a minus 1 should be greater than 0. Now product of two factors should be greater than 0. Then this is possible if a is less than minus 3 by 2 or a is greater than 1. So what is the domain for a? Therefore a should be from minus infinity to minus 3 by 2 union 1 to infinity. But what kind of a number is a? A is observed to be only negative number. Then for negative domain, a should be between minus infinity to minus 3 by 2, which is present there, right? So what is the domain of a? A should be between minus infinity to minus 3 by 2.